Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here toluene is there. You have second position chlorine atom and you are reacting with sodamide and ammonia. You have to find the final product. Here the reaction is interesting because it involves Benzyne mechanism. The first of reaction is subtraction of proton. You have the anion formation. Anion travel to the benzene. Chlorine is the leaving group. So you have triple bond there. Triple bond on benzene is a little bit unusual. It is called benzyne. Then you have sodamide which attacks there. You have amide attachment. But amine group can attack in second or third position. Second position is major, third position is minor because second position the anion near electron donating group little bit unstable. So major one is amine on second position. Then the proton transfer, you have final product. Here the concept you have to learn here is whenever you have halobenzene, you might imagine Benzyne mechanism. Always intermediate form in the stable one. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.